Darcy from Memphis, Tennessee has a question about an AC gargle.
She wants her system
Not a gargoyle.
to gargle. No, she wants her system to gargle.
Okay.
It's good for you. She replaced her old AC recently. And Darcy writes, our family favorite HVAC technician worked with his buddy to redo the ductwork as well. And she says she turned on the AC, Tom, and there was this horrible mildew smell. So yesterday, she says, we used Southern AC, which is ice cubes and a fan. I love that. Anyway, they turned the AC on again today, she says, and they got the mildew smell back. And the text says to pour a cup of bleach into the tea up there, I guess in the pan.
The drain line.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, Tom, Darcy's question is, would the chlorine dioxide in some mouthwashes work just as well as bleach? For some reason, she's just a little nervous about working with the bleach.
Quite frankly, you don't need either. That's not the problem.
No.
The problem is you have a high-efficiency unit that's got what's called the smelly sock syndrome.
Oh.
This came along back when the SCER rating started to go higher and higher, and the coils ran warmer and warmer. You need a colder temperature drop across the coil so it washes it, or there's a coating that can be put on the coils to make it stay clean and not give you that horrible smell. You can use all the bleach and all the mouthwash and all the Mr. Clean, anything you want. It's not going to help, but we got to get fixed.
A minty, fresh air to it.
Yeah, and bleach, quite frankly, bleach is a very toxic chemical. I mean, you mix it with ammonia and sit in the trenches of World War I, and you know what happened to people. But as far as that goes, no, you've got the smelly sock syndrome, and that coil has got to be, something's wrong where it's not draining. It could be not tilted right. It could be it's not cleaning itself. It doesn't have a cold enough drop. But you need to get a good air conditioning person out there to troubleshoot it, and maybe even do a coating on there if they need to.
I thought we had a smelly socks in our house too, and then our two older sons went off to college. We still had the smell and figured out, no, it's the AC.
Oh, well, in my case, it was the old banana peels they left behind for 20 years
Well,
when my boys left.
Well, don't slip on those. Instead,
they weren't slippery.
Send us your questions.
They were dead.
HomeShowRadio.com. You can see our other videos over here. And, of course, we'd love it if you'd subscribe to our channel.